In this guide, you'll learn how to create AI baby dance. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Google Gemini, log into your account. Now, upload the picture and give it a prompt to convert it to 3D cartoon. Once the picture has been converted to the cartoon version, you'll need to navigate to this website, Kling AI, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Here you're going to find tons of creation of Kling AI. Now you'll need to navigate to the video section. Once you're over here, navigate to this tab, image to video. Then go ahead and upload the picture and give it a prompt. Make this baby dance. Wait for it to generate and you can see the result. Likewise, you can also use motion control if you have the premium version. Here you'll need to upload the reference video, then upload the picture of the baby, then hit generate. With that, a video will be generated. Now you can download this video and share it in any platform. So this is how you can create AI baby dance. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.